Hi, hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My channel name is Style My Way Usha and I'm Usha. I make videos related to fashion and styling, and I also do a lot of DIY related to fashion and styling. So if you like all these things, please consider subscribing to my channel. And today I'm going to do a shopping haul video. I bought a few loungewear from Myntra. All the loungewear sets are very nice, very comfortable. I prefer to have loungewear which is comfortable so that I can relax at home, and they should be appropriate in such a way that I can wear them and go out if I want to go and get some small stuff from grocery shop or something nearby. So without further ado, let's see what I got. This first loungewear set is from the brand Rain and Rainbow, priced at rupees 1317. It's made of pure cotton fabric with beautiful tropical motifs of leaves, animals and birds all over the top. Has a simple round neck and 3/4 sleeves. The pants are elasticated with pockets, and I love this bright color of the set. It's so perfect for this gloomy monsoon weather. I really feel very nice and bright when I wear it. This is not only perfect for monsoon but also to wear all year round. It's a very perfect set. I really love this. Next cord set is from the brand Anouk. It's priced at rupees 944. It's a tunic and trouser set. It's a kaftan, and it has such a beautiful floral print going on all over. I really love this beautiful dark green color. It's a bottle green color, and the kaftan has a tie-up to cinch your waist. The trousers are elasticated and have pockets. The fabric used for the set is viscose rayon. It's such a nice, comfortable, very soft fabric. I really loved this set a lot. It's perfect to wear all year round. You can wear it around the house. You can go out, run your errands in this set. It's perfect for any use outside or in the house. This loungewear set is from the brand Sanskriti Homes, priced at rupees 860. I felt that this is value for money. This set is so comfortable, made up of pure cotton fabric. It's in magenta color with bird motifs all over. Bird motifs are in white, as you can see. The top is slip on top, and it has a mandarin collar and short sleeves. The pants are elasticated and have pockets on both sides. I love this set a lot. It's very comfortable, perfect for wearing all around the year. But I haven't washed it yet, but I feel that it might lose color because it's a cotton fabric and a darker color. So for the first few washes, you have to wash it separately, I feel. Otherwise, it's a very nice suit. I do recommend it for anyone who loves comfortable night suit or loungewear to wear at home. This next cord set is from the brand Wine Red. This is the first time I bought from Wine Red, and I really loved it. So I am going to buy from this brand a lot from now on, I guess. This is priced at rupees 1200 approximately. It's made up of pure cotton fabric. The top has collar detailing and 3/4 sleeves and a front button closure. The set is mint green in color, and it has pink and white paisley motifs all over. The trousers are elasticated and are a little loose fit, like parallel trousers kind of, and has pocket on one side. This is again perfect for wearing all around the year. You can lounge in them at home or wear them outside to run your errands. It's a perfect cord set for all these things. I really love this cord set a lot. This next loungewear set or pajama set is from the brand Banno Swagger, priced at rupees 991. I have always wanted to buy from this brand because of the quirky prints. I really wanted to try these, so finally I bought this one. This is made up of viscose rayon fabric, and it's very comfortable. The fabric is soft. I don't know how it's going to be in summer, but I feel it's going to be good. You can wear it all year round. I love the print, this beautiful pink and blue pastel stripes, and the chic print going on. I love this pajama set a lot. It gives like a chic, trendy and cozy vibe, and I really fell in love with it. If you like quirky prints like me, you surely go for these pajamas. They are very comfortable and value for money. So this is the last cord set that I bought. This cord set is from the brand Roadster. It is priced at 743 rupees. It is a shirt and shorts cord set which is steel in color. It's made up of polyester fabric. The shirt is a very long shirt. It actually covers shorts also. It can also be worn over a spaghetti top, and also can be worn as a shirt dress. The shorts are elasticated with pockets on both sides, and it's a very comfortable set. But if you're not comfortable wearing polyester, it's not for you because it's very polyestery. And but I think it can be perfect for vacation wear as well. It's a very versatile piece. I am going to post some short styling this shirt cord set. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like all the cord set that I have shown you. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye for now.